Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube not showing cast icon. If you're missing the YouTube cast icon, there's a few things you can do, and it's pretty much the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is actually go over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure you type in YouTube at the top. And here you want to make sure there's no update option. If there is, you want to update the YouTube app because chances are you have an older version that's outdated and doesn't have the cast option. Another thing you can do is go over to your settings, click on General, go to iPhone storage, find the YouTube app here, should be somewhere, here it is, and offload it. This is another thing you can do. If you have any questions and this still doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. Remember that you need to like the video. See you next one. Bye.